Good evening. We're talking KitchenAid stand mixers and issues with them all of a sudden turning on or off. This is KitchenAid. It's the Professional 5500 Plus. Stop. It didn't want to turn off. And then it don't want to turn on periodically now anymore, or off, change speeds, anything like that. It's not the board, it's the contact in the board in the speed sensor. It's probably got dirt, dust, flour. My girlfriend's horrible with flour. It's like a bomb went off every time she touches it. So what you're going to do is you're going to take that, there's a screw on the back of here, one screw on the very back, and unscrew that. This bag comes off. One screw back, it just screws, and there's one screw holding that. You take that off, that hold it, then you can you'll see the 4 screws. Every one here, same way at the other side, and then that just slides off. You get that off, you'll see on this control board down here, where the speed sensor is, selector, there'll be a screw here, and a screw on the other side. You need to remove those screws. Keep those separate from the other screws because they are a different length. I'm not sure if it makes a difference, but I did keep those separate, those 2 from the other 4 from the housing. And then I unplugged the harness up here. I did label everything as far as what went where. I just made a couple dots on each one, 1, 2, 3, 4, as they went in sequence. And then there's one little clip here, pulls off this wire here, and then you can remove that whole board. Once you get that board out, there's 4 screws that hold